it was just a nice, warm feeling with everybody. You know, everybody was poor. Nobody knew that you were poor because everybody was. And it was just a nice feeling, particularly on 12th Street. There were, I don't know if you know the area, from Claremont to Grand Boulevard. You could walk any time of day or night, and there'd be no fear. And you'd see people that you knew, and everybody was safe. It was just a nice feeling, just a nice feeling. Well, there were just individual stores. There was a little butcher shop, and a fish store, and a grocery store. And my father worked in a bakery off of 12th Street. And next door, that was the High Grade Bakery, was the name of that. And that was owned by the people that owned the grocery store next door. And that was Grunt's Market, where you'd stick your hands in for a dill pickle or for herring or something like that. It was, and then there was a restaurant across the street, Boesky's, which was a famous deli, and that moved to other areas. On 12th Street, there was a streetcar, which we took most of the time because the next street was 14th, and that was the bus. And the smell of the gas from the bus made me ill. So for the most part, we took the streetcar when we went downtown. But 12th Street was the immigrant area. It had started first on the east side before I was born, and then they moved to the 12th Street area. And everybody knew everybody else.